Simple present tense. How to use it, with examples. The simple present is a verb tense with two main uses. We use the simple present tense when an action happens regularly, or unceasingly, which is why it's sometimes called present indefinite. Depending on the person, the simple present tense is formed by using the root form or by adding s or s to the end. I'm sorry to hear that you're sick. The other is to talk about habitual actions or occurrences. Pauline practices the piano every day. Ms. Jackson travels during the summer. Typically, when we want to describe a temporary action that is currently in progress, we use the present continuous. Pauline can't come to the phone right now because she is brushing her teeth. How to form the simple present. In the simple present, most regular verbs use the root form, except in the third person singular, which ends in s. First person singular, I write. Second person singular, you write. Third person singular, he, she, it writes. Note the s. First person plural, we write. Second person plural, you write. Third person plural, they write. For a few verbs, the third person singular ends with s instead of s. Typically, these are verbs whose root form ends in o, ch, shush, th, ss, gh, or z. First person singular, I go. Second person singular, you go. Third person singular, he, she, it goes. Note the s. First person plural, we go. Second person plural, you go. Third person plural, they go. How to make the simple present negative. The formula for making a simple present verb negative is do, does plus not plus, root form of verb. You can also use the contraction don't or doesn't instead of do not or does not. Pauline does not want to share the pie. She doesn't think there is enough to go around. Her friends do not agree. I don't want pie anyway. To make the verb to be negative, the formula is to be plus not. I am not a pie lover, but Pauline sure is. You aren't ready for such delicious pie. The formula for asking a question in the simple present is do, does plus, subject, plus, root form of verb. Do you know how to bake a pie? How much does Pauline love pie?